Well, see, I told Mumbles what goes around comes around. She should be more nicer, shouldn't she? Yeah, now you're in here on my lap. Uh-huh. Because you're much nicer than she is. And she don't want to sit on my lap hardly unless she's going to hit me. But it's cold. And I know she don't like other cats, but when it's cold, I'm not going to let you sit outside and freeze. No, you can't sit out there and get cold. You slept out in the damn snowstorm anyway. So I'm not going to let you sit out there today and get cold. No. No, you got a big old long tail. Look at that tail. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I hear it in there in the bathroom hollering. Like, help, help, I'm locked in the John. Help, help, I can't get out. You hear it? You're a sweet cat. If my cat would let you stay in here, I'd just let you stay. Yeah, but Mumbles is too mean. Mumbles is hateful. He's like the Wicked Witch of the West. Cat, I don't know who you belong to. And I don't know why they set you outside. But they need to be slapped. 'Cause you're a nice cat. You're very nice. And you're polite. Yes. Oh, cat, let me ask you something. It would be against my southern hospitality not to ask you if you want some coffee. Would you like some coffee? Here? Try some of that. Oh, what do you think about coffee? Oh, is that not your favorite kind of coffee creamer? Well, I'm sorry, it's sugar-free. It's sugar-free. And I hope that hasn't offended you. I mean, I'm kind of looking out for you, too, I don't want you to be a diabetic, and you can't have sugar, What are we doing? You in a better mood? Are you in a better mood than you was earlier? What do you see out there? All I see is snow. All I see is snow. Oh, excuse me. You're just hateful.
We're having a heat wave, a tropical heat wave. The temperature's rising, it isn't surprising, she certainly can. She started the heat wave by letting her seat wave. And in such a way that the customers say that she certainly can. Gee, her anatomy made the mercury jump to 93. Yes, sir, we're having a heat wave, a tropical heat wave. The way that she moves, that thermometer proves that she certainly can.
I wonder what dangers await around the corner. Oh, it's a hateful panther. She won't let the poor black cat in. You want to come in? You want to come in? Well, come on. Come on in. Now, boss, let it come in. Look at it. It's cold. Let it come in. Mumbles, let it come in. Mumbles, let it come in. You know I'm going to let it in, whether you like it or not. Come here. Come here. Don't hide under the table. Come here. Don't tell me no. You... Mumbles! Come here. Come here. Come here, Mumbles. Mumbles, why do you go under the furniture? Come here, Mumbles. Come here.
Later.
Oh, it's you again. You decided to come in this morning? This one cat decided to come in. Bye.
Later that same evening.
What are you doing? Well, I see one of them over here. What are you doing?
Later.
Oh, like, what's that on the couch? Did someone... Looks like someone left a great big old raisin on the couch. What is it? Oh, that's the cat. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought there was a big raisin on the couch. Or a big rat turd. She's like, now you woke me up picking on me. Oh, you'll be okay. It's good to be picked on, ain't it? I'll pick on you. I don't trust you. I think you're gonna bite me. Ooh, what you doing? Ooh. Oh yeah, she's pissed.
Later that same evening. Later.
Oh, it thinks it's slick. It thinks it's slick and doesn't think that I don't know the words hide. Definitely something under there. Oh, yes, it's you. What are you doing? Quit! What are you doing? Say, I'm going in here. Goodbye.
Later that same evening.
Look up.